The state attorney general's office will decide if a deadly officer-involved shooting in Florence County was justified. That office will review the findings from the state police investigation into the shooting.
ABC 15's Tanya Brown joins us live outside the Florence County Sheriff's Office. So, Tanya, when will SLED's investigation be complete?
Jennifer, I am told that SLED could wrap up their investigation by this time next week. In the meantime, today I talked with attorneys for a 72-year-old man who was not involved in the shooting, but was attacked by the deputy's K9 partner. The officer-involved shooting took place 8 days ago in Florence. SLED's initial findings say the deputy tried to stop a car on Palmetto Street, driven by 43-year-old William Devane Rankin. It says Rankin didn't stop and eventually crashed on East National Cemetery Road in Florence and ran into a home there. State police say the deputy and his K9 partner followed Rankin into that house where they found 72-year-old Johnny Cooper. The K9 then bit Cooper, who was not involved in the chase, and the deputy shot Rankin. I talked with Cooper's lawyers Monday. They met with Florence County Sheriff T.J. Joy and watched the body cam video of the incident.
I've done this for 31 years. That's probably some of the worst footage I've ever seen of something happening to anyone. I mean, both Mr. Rankin, who was shot, and Mr. Johnny, who got bitten by the dog repeatedly.
They say doctors initially told Cooper's family he would lose his arm, but they were able to save it. Attorney Kenneth Moss questions the training and policies of the sheriff's office.
The sheriff and the major have been very cooperative with us to date, and we want to express our thanks for that. They've been very cooperative in arranging a meeting for us to come over and see evidence that's not been made public yet. It is going to call upon his office to look strongly at their training procedures and whether or not they're sufficient.
Florence County Sheriff T.J. Joy says, quote, policies and procedures are in place. Training is top of the line. If deputies would follow them, then we wouldn't have these issues. Joy says they are cooperating fully with the investigation. He goes on to say that he believes transparency and honesty are essential to law enforcement. Live in Florence, Tanya Brown, ABC 15 News.
Tanya, thank you. A lawyer for Rankin, the man who died in the officer-involved shooting, says that they plan to make a statement at a later time.